Making big ideas fit in the palm of your hand. Welcome! We are the Ra Empire Incorporation and we are pleased to introduce to you our own product, the Holobeam, a smart mini projector that consists a lot of features and functions you've never seen before. But before we start on that, let's take a look at these existing products.
Bago po ipakilala ang product po namin, ipapakita ko po muna sa inyo yung existing product. Existing product po, we have Nebula Capsule 3 and we have Samsung Freestyle Projector and last ViewSonic M1. Then makikita niyo po dito sa sa PPT po namin, meron po silang mga pros and cons. Dahil po sa pros and cons, ito po yung nakita po namin problema. Limited interactive po. Limited lang po ang magagawa po nyo sa projector and kailangan nyo po magsaksak ng mga device. Number 2, fixed projection angle. Kadalasan po sa mga projection po natin, kailangan pa po imano-mano para umayos po yung display or position po nila. Number 3, bulky design. Malaki at mabigat po yung mga projector po natin. Hindi po sila basta-basta nadadala. Number 4, lack of built-in apps. Kailangan pa po natin magsaksak ng other device like laptop or phone para po magamit yung mga gagamitin na apps like PPT or Netflix. Number 5, static projection surface. Limited lang po yung mga pader or screen na projection po. Holobeam, a revolutionary that redefines visual content. Compact po ito ng 5 mini smart projector para nadadala po kahit saan. Then we have built-in touchscreen na pre-installed streaming app para hindi po tayo magsasaksak ng any device and magagawa po natin yung mga gusto po natin sa projector. And last, 360-degree and laser-based interactive projection na po siya. Kahit wala pong pader o screen po, makakapag-provide pa rin po siya ng display. Kasi po, laser-based na rin po yung projector po natin.
Good day everyone, I am Eliza Candelario and I'll be discussing top 5 target market of Holobeam Smart Mini Projector. We have student and educators, business professionals, event organizers, entertainment enthusiasts, tech adopters. First, we have student and educators. Education meets innovation. With this device, students and educators can engage with digital content more effectively, making learning interactive, immersive, and mobile. Business professionals present with power anywhere and anytime. High quality presentation no longer require bulky equipment, whether you are in the office or on the go. This compact tool ensures your ideas and delivered with impact. Event organizers bring your event to life. Event planners can display dynamic visuals and eye-catching advertisement using compact, portable projector, perfect for quick setup and seamless performance. Entertainment enthusiast, cinema at home experience redefined. With 4K resolution, AI-enhanced brightness, and dual stereo speakers, this device offers a home theater experience like no other, right in your living room. Tech adapters, smart, slick, and ahead of its time. AI integration and intelligent features make this a must-have for users who love cutting-edge technology and convenience in one device. Next, we have our competitor analysis. Features, size, and portability. Traditional projectors have bulky 10 to 15 inches, while the portable mini projector is small 5 to 8 inches. Holobeam, ultra compact, less than 5 inches. And competitor analysis. Direct competitors, traditional projectors are bulky, require external remotes, and have limited interactivity. Pocket projectors lacks high resolution, built-in apps, and touchscreen features. While the Holobeam all-in-one features offer a unique new experience in visual content.
Now, let's proceed naman sa ating financial analysis. So as you can see sa bottom part ng ating table, we have 16,600,000 pesos as our total initial investment. So we came up with this kind of huge money because there are a lot of things to be considered, including na dito yung sobrang dami ng ating features and functions. So let's look at the bright side. Bakit ganito kalaki yung kailangan nating i-invest? So let's take a look at this graph from year 1 to year 3. Let me explain this. If ibebenta natin yung mini projector natin ng 35,000 pesos per unit, magkakaroon tayo ng break-even point around 700 units sold. So within a year, makikita natin yung profitability ng ating product. Imagine, 16 million lang yung in-invest natin, pero within a year magkakaroon tayo ng 24 million pesos. Imagine what pa, gano'ng kalaki yung makukuha natin kapag umabot tayo ng 3 years. So within 3 years, magkakaroon tayo ng 525 million pesos. So this should this should convince you to start investing in our company.
La vida es un carrusel.